The global lockdown in 2020 has revealed by how much air quality can be improved if one of the biggest polluters take a break. As a result, we see a global trend to mitigate climate change and reduce transport emissions with a transition from fossil fuel cars to electric vehicles. The global EV market is forecast to reach 179 million units by 2030, which means that the demand in reliable EV charging infrastructure will rise dramatically over the coming years. Yet today, the EV charging ecosystem is facing numerous problems aside from an insufficient amount of charging stations. A lack of reliability due to malfunctioning and outdated software, which leads to communication errors between EVs, charging stations, and the cloud-based management systems. A lack of real-time data telling us whether or not a charger is available or how fast you can charge your car at a specific charging station. A lack of user-friendliness, as EV drivers still need to manage several RFID cards or smartphone apps from a variety of mobility service providers simply to start a charging session. And last but not least, a lack of data security, which makes it easy for hackers to mess with your charging bill and run a remote attack on our critical charging infrastructure. We'll challenge the status quo by creating Joseph, a flexible joint operating system for EV chargers. With Joseph, we free manufacturers from the complexity that comes with implementing and testing future-proof communication standards like ISO 15118 and the newest Open Charge Point protocol. Our easy-to-use interface for third-party modules allows manufacturers to focus on their USPs and design reliable and user-friendly charging stations. Do you want to add your own modules for OCPP 1.6? Maybe a smart load balancer? Or for controlling the user interface on a charger's display? Joseph will make it happen. With our tailored Linux builds, we make sure to support a variety of hardware platforms to avoid any lock-in effect. Joseph will also come with secure and regular over-the-air updates to make sure your charger is booting the correct and trusted software. With Joseph, your charger will support a user-friendly plug-and-charge feature for a hassle-free identification, enforce strong data security, and enable true vehicle-to-grid functionality, also known as V2G. With V2G, your EV can do so much more than drive you from A to B. The car can turn into a power bank to temporarily store renewable energy during the day and power your home and appliance with clean energy in the evening. At night, when the wind is blowing and energy is cheap, your EV's battery is fully recharged until the next morning. Together with a multitude of other EVs, your car can create a virtual power plant to help stabilize the grid when needed. ISO 15118 is part of the combined charging system, which is becoming the globally dominant EV standard for all kinds of EVs, be it motorbikes, cars, trucks and buses, or even ships and airplanes.
Hi, my name is Mark and I'm the founder and CEO of V2G Clarity. My team and I are determined to build a business with a lasting, sustainable impact. And we do so by significantly reducing the complexity behind smart EV charging so you can serve your end customers with a seamless user experience. My team consists of talented engineers with decades of experience in shaping e-mobility standards and building scalable, reliable, and easy-to-use software. This is a major project, and we need your support to make it happen. Head over to our crowdfunding site for more details and get in touch with me to find the right solution for your company. Together, we can accelerate the transition to clean transportation and create a seamless and user-friendly charging experience for EV drivers.